So the web shop's coming along really nicely now. Still just kind of setting it out, but we've got all sorts of things on there, predominantly for motorists, for our customers, for our social media followers, YouTube followers. Doesn't matter where you are, whether you're buying a car off us or somewhere else, you can arrange finance and go as a cash buyer. You can get an insurance quote, not just on car insurance, cars, vans, motorbikes. I've just renewed my home insurance with them and also my travel insurance. My yearly travel insurance would have been £162 this year. Through Compare the Market, it's, well, the cheapest quote's 32. The one I'm going to go with is probably Virgin, and that's 45, and it's also better cover. Same with my home insurance. We're also an affiliate of Virgin, come to think about it. Balloon flights, experience days, driving Lamborghinis. I mean, there's even you can even fly or go flying as a passenger in a Spitfire. There's everything. We're just trying to make stuff as interesting as possible and try and pay back people. We're going to try voucher codes to save you money and hopefully point you in the right direction. I've even put a section in which mostly for me, I like watching things on eBay to see what's available. Supercars, American muscle cars, barn finds. Electric cars not so much, but I'm sure there's some people out there that like it. So keep an eye on our website, bccars.co.uk. It's our web store to GG Cars. You can get back to the cars, to the showroom. So there's a link back. There's all sorts, and let me know in the comments if there's anything you think I should be doing, anything you'd like to see. Always open to good ideas. And keep watching, bccars.co.uk. Oh, we've got an Amazon shop and an eBay shop as well. So